a very interesting interview with newly appointed Reggea Boyz head coach Paul Hall, where Hall was suggesting that a big part of his strategy going forward will be to get the ball to Leon Bailey. Hall said he will be seeking to make the Aston Villa front man the focal point of the Reggea Boyz attack for the rest of the World Cup qualifiers. Obviously, Paul Hall has seen that the Jamaican offense was not getting the best out of the talent and quality of Leon Bailey. The baller looks a completely different player for his clubs than he looks for his country. Paul Hall plans to change that, and I think it can work. Leon Bailey is the most skillful, speedy, and elusive player in that Jamaica team. If he gets more of the football in our transition offense, then he will attract more attention and open up more space for the likes of Mikel Antonio, Shamar Nicholson, and Corey Burke, etc., who also possess the qualities to punish opposing teams. But again, Paul Hall is articulating a plan, and a plan to me that can work. He's been brilliant so far. It's because of the hairstyle why it's so brilliant, but the hairstyle can't, man.